Hello friends, today we are preparing a special recipe full makhane with oats. The full makhanes are rich in calcium and oats are rich in fiber. We will roast it together and then add some jaggery in it to make it more tasty. For this purpose, we have taken 2 bowls of this makhane and approximate half bowl of these oats which will be roasted with this makhane, and then we will make it completely with the help of jaggery so that it can be rich in fiber as well as calcium and will be more tasty in together. First of all, we will put these white balls in the concerned vessel and roast it at low flame on the gas. We will move it slightly and continuously watching it so that it can become some brownish tint. You can see that the white balls become some brownish. We have to roast it continuously for a few minutes at low flame so that it becomes brownish. Then we can add oats in it to roast it along with these white balls, or you can say it as a full makhane. Now we are adding the oats in these white balls and we will roast it continuously for further few minutes so that it becomes also brown along with the white balls or full makhane. You can see here that the oats are also becoming brown, and when these two in together becomes brown, we will add jaggery in it. Now you can see that we have added jaggery. We can also say it as desi gur in it. In contact with the heat, this jaggery will come in its trans solid form and attach itself with the oats and somewhat with the white balls. Now you can see the whole setup is completely brown and the jaggery is also mostly attached with this oats to make it more crispy. Now our dish is approximately ready. We will remove it from the low flame and serve it accordingly. Our dish is now completely ready and we have made it splitting. Now the white balls which are rich in calcium and oats which are rich in fiber along with jaggery, this dish is more crispy and more enjoyable to eat. You can also try it at home. If you have liked our video, you can like and share it. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Thank you.